We've all been taught that healing comes from something outside of us. A pill, a prescription, a therapist's office, and sometimes, yes, those things save lives. But what if healing isn't only found there? What if healing also lives in the quiet, unseen choices you make every day? Like taking one deep breath before reacting, or finally letting your shoulders relax when your body realizes, I'm safe. Here's the truth no one talks about enough. Time does not heal all wounds. For many trauma survivors, time doesn't heal, it hides. Because trauma doesn't just live in the mind, it lives in the body, in your breath, in your heartbeat, in the way you tense up around certain people for reasons you can't explain. Medication can be life-saving, but not everyone has access to it, and not everyone feels ready for it. So today, let's talk about 6 science-backed ways to help your brain and body heal without medication. 1. Grounding yourself in the present. Trauma keeps your brain stuck in danger mode even when you're safe. Grounding uses your senses to remind your body that the threat is over. Try the 5-4-3-2-1 method. Name 5 things you see, 4 you can touch, 3 you hear, 2 you smell, and 1 you taste. It's simple, but powerful. Because healing begins the moment your body stops fighting. 2. Gentle movement. After trauma, many people feel disconnected from their bodies. Gentle movement like stretching, yoga, or slow walking helps rebuild that connection. Movement tells your nervous system, I'm here, I survived. 3. Expressive writing. If movement helps the body release, writing helps the mind understand. You don't have to write beautifully, you just have to write honestly. Putting emotions into words helps your brain process what once felt overwhelming. It turns chaos into something you can hold. 4. Listening to the body. Your body remembers what your mind tries to forget. Practices that focus on physical awareness help release stress that never got a chance to finish during trauma. Sometimes healing doesn't come from thinking harder, it comes from listening deeper. 5. Safe relationships. Trauma isolates. Healing reconnects. You don't need many people. Just one person who feels emotionally safe can make a powerful difference. Healing happens faster in connection than in isolation. 6. Creative expression. When words fall short, creativity speaks. Art, music, movement, these aren't hobbies. They're ways of giving pain meaning. Creating doesn't erase what happened, it transforms it. All of these practices share one truth. They teach your nervous system that the danger has passed. Healing without medication isn't about rejecting medicine. It's about expanding what healing can look like. Healing doesn't happen in one big moment. It happens quietly. Every time you choose to come back to yourself. So what's one small thing that helps you feel safer today? Maybe it's journaling. Maybe it's stepping outside. Or maybe it's reaching out to someone who understands. Because healing doesn't shout. It whispers. And it starts with you.